Alright, so I already did this one right here. As you can see, it was like this. It had no cap on it, and now it has a cap on it. So you just want to pry off around here. Just pry off like around the edges and stuff. And whenever you pry it off, you're just gonna disconnect your little 12 volts. It's in the back, just these. So like in here, there's gonna be little things that you gotta push. There's gonna be one, and there should be right there, 1 and 2. You're pushing the pins in, and then you're gonna push this out, you know, and everything should come out. I'm gonna try to record this for y'all so y'all can see it. Alright, so this is gonna come out first, like y'all saw. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that's gonna come out first, and then that's gonna allow this piece to come out. So now that you have that, you wanna push this piece in. Just make sure you're doing it straight, you know. Boom. Now that you got it straight put in there, you're gonna wanna open it. And then just place this the same way you took it out. And just shove it in there, and it should, boom, just like that. And then you just want to hook it back up to the little harness, the wiring, and then just basically just stamp it back on there. So that's how you change your little 12 volt caps. And if you need to, you can also change your little 12 volt. So it looks like, and it's all done.
Go through, nigga acting like a bitch. Really that's what hoes do. Take your brain above your head, really just show you. Want some change for some heads, let me go and show you.